Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, where we don't tell you what to think. We just present the facts in a book-like format. Not really, it's from my mouth. And you do what you will with them. So last one here for the day, April 15th, 2025, Presidential Executive Order Restoring Common Sense to Federal Office Space Management. This one is actually kind of interesting, behind-the-scenes type thing. So it talks about two executive orders specifically, one from Jimmy Carter and one from Bill Clinton. And those executive orders talk about where federal facilities should be located. Jimmy Carter's was, quote, to prioritize central business districts when citing federal facilities in urban areas. And Bill Clinton's was to, quote, encourage agencies to locate their facilities in historic properties and districts, especially when located in central business areas. So this administration claims that these executive orders did not, quote, adequately prioritize efficient and effective government service, so they are now revoked. They're gone. Get out of here. Don't exist anymore. So yeah, that's about it. Basically, this apparently will allow agencies, through revoking these executive orders, to relocate to lower cost facilities, thus saving taxpayer money, etc., etc. So that's it for the day, and thanks for coming back, guys. We'll see you then.